Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mamta Wadhil, practicing vitreoretina and cataract surgeon. Treatment per se in diabetic retinopathy again depends upon whether the patient is having early diabetic retinopathy or advanced stage. In early, we always tell patient to control their sugars, to keep their kidney on check, because patients who have renal function abnormality like high creatinine have more of diabetic retinopathy. So we always tell them to go to their physician, get the things checked up, get the things under control, and keep showing either 6 monthly or in a year depending upon their stage. Suppose once already there is a severe diabetic retinopathy, we see whether patient's macula is involved. If there is a swelling, we may have to either give injections. These are the anti-VEGF injection. It means anti-vascular endothelial growth factor. We have to give this injection inside the eye to decrease that swelling. Second is the laser. These are the green laser which we can do on the leaky blood vessels so that those blood vessels stops. Sometimes we have to do pan-retinal photocoagulation, that is PRP, where already the bleeding is quite significant. There are already new blood vessels everywhere in the retina, so we have to laser that. And suppose patient has come already in very much advanced stage where there is a bleeding already in front of retina and there is already a tractional retinal detachment, then we have to take such patients for surgery without delaying, because the more we delay, the prognosis and the result will get affected. So this is how we treat a patient. I always counsel my patient that diabetic retinopathy is something which is, if prevention is better than cure. So you have to check on your blood sugars, you have to check on your various profiles like cholesterol, keep them under control and keep showing to a retinologist, because it is very important to get it diagnosed on time. If you are late, then obviously we are there to treat, but then you will have some, irreversible sort of damage which has already happened in your retina.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.